So guys, for the first step, you want to make sure that you're using an admin account. Make sure that you're using an administrator account. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find VGC. So just scroll down until you find a service called VGC. I don't have it on my computer, but in your case, you're going to be having a service called VGC. Now once you find VGC, you want to double click on it. I'm using virtual disk as an example, but you want to double click on VGC. Next, you want to go to the logon tab. Now you want to select this account. And then you want to click on browse. In this box, you want to type in your account username. If you don't know it, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once we're here, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to click on your Windows drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. And then click on users. It's going to be showing your username right here. Mine is Speedy Tutorials. Now that you know your username, you want to go back. You want to type in your username right here. After you type in your username, click on check names. And then click on OK. If you're not using a password on your account, then just remove the password. If you are using a password, then just type in the password for your account and then click on OK. And then click on OK again. Next, you want to restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then the problem should be fixed. It should also let you start the VGC service if it's not already started yet. By the way, once you're back on Windows, if the VGC service is not enabled, then you want to double click on VGC. Make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will then enable the VGC service. And also, if you're still having problems, another thing you can try is go to the logon tab, click on this account, browse. This time just type in administrator and then click on check names, which will then underline it. Click on OK. Remove the password, click on OK again, and then click on OK again. Restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then see if that works.